Hi everyone! Welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs once again. Today guys, I will make my own scrunchie. FYI guys, scrunchies are good in protecting your hair because there's no elastic that can snag or tear your hair. Thus, it promotes a silky and healthy hair. Okay, I will start by showing you the materials needed. I have here a stretchable lace fabric. This is a 13 inches but I fold twice so the length is 26 inches and the width is 3.5 inches. Next, I have a brown thick elastic. Then, I have a light brown thread. And this is my very small and cute scissor. And of course, I will be needing a needle. Any size is okay. So, very easy guys. Just fold the fabric lengthwise and make sure the inside is out. And then next is insert the brown elastic. So it will go like this. And then start hand sewing by making a knot at the beginning of the fabric. After making a knot, I will be making the stitches already. I will make stitches until I reach the other end of the fabric. Okay, there you go. Looks okay. So, what is a scrunchie? Guys, scrunchie is an elastic hair tie that is covered with fabric and is used to fasten or hold a medium to long hair types. And scrunchies come in different forms, colors, fabrics, and designs. Because that's where your ideas and creativity comes in. Just like me guys, I never thought that I can make my own scrunchies. Before I just go to the department store and just buy my hair tie. But now, I can make as many as I can. And guys, don't you worry if you don't have a sewing machine because you can still make your own through hand sewing or hand stitching. It's not that expensive to make a scrunchie. You can look for some old clothes, reuse it, why not? Okay, so I'm done sewing from end to end. But then guys, since my fabric is lace, this is a fabric that is very delicate, I thought of making it more durable. So, another stitch. Now I'm making a stitch really at the end with a knot. So make a knot like that to be more secure. Okay, and as you can see, it's almost done again. So reminder guys, this is a 26 inches long fabric with 3.5 inches width. Okay, cut it and there you go. So what's next is I need to get the inside out. So that the front of the fabric will be outside already. And if you use a fabric that is smooth like this, it's very easy to turn. I don't need a pin anymore. Okay, there you go. The inside is out already. And then next is I need to insert one end to the other end. There you go, and then I have to make some stitches or sew it to connect both the ends. Very easy guys and very fast to make. If I can do it, of course you can do as well. In this way we can save money. Okay, one more knot and then cut it. There you go. And it's done. Beautifully crafted by hand. So guys, this is my lace scrunchie. It's super easy and fast to make. Maybe around 15 to 20 minutes you can do it. Even without a sewing machine, I tell you guys, it's very easy to make stitches by hand. And oops, I cannot wait anymore. I need to try, guys. So this is my scrunchie from scratch. Oh, there you go. Isn't it perfect? And it matches my face mask creation. Yes, guys, I made a face mask from my old blouse, and the leftover, it turned into a scrunchie. So I have a matching scrunchie and face mask. Just add style to your hair, guys. Make your own fashion statement. Why not? Okay. Mahalo for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.